Standard first. Subject Maths. Hello student, I am Jyoti Singh. In this video, we are going to learn a new topic about topic measurement, subtopic measurement of length. What is length? Length is the distance from one end to the other end of an object. Student, we already learned how to measure the length of an object using hand span, foot span and cubit. These are called non-standard unit. This measurement never give an accurate result. Let me share one story with you. Once the Flintstone has a major issue to measuring the length of a tablecloth. What exactly happened was that Mrs. Flintstone measured the length of the tablecloth using her own hand. Now, when Mr. Flintstone went to the shopkeeper, what exactly happened? The shopkeeper measured the length of the tablecloth using his own hand. Yes, definitely. The hand size of the shopkeeper is different from the size of Mrs. Flintstone's hand. As a result, the measurement was not accurate. So, Mr. Flintstone has an idea. What he do? He measured the size of the Mrs. Flintstone hand with a stick. And now he could carry this stick anywhere and could measure exact length of the cloth according to the hand of Mrs. Flintstone. So his work became very easy. He did not need to carry Mrs. Flintstone everywhere. He can carry the stick and got a exact measurement. Now once Mrs. Flintstone needed a bed sheet for their bed. So she asked Mr. Flintstone to buy sheet of exact size which would fit this bed. Now, Mr. Flintstone as usual carry his stick to the shop, but there was a situation was little bit different. Well, as Mr. Flintstone has an idea of stick, a lot of people has same idea. So everyone carry the stick according to their requirement. And thus there are too many people in the shop, the shopkeeper get really confused. And in that confusion, he made a mistake. He measured the length of the cloth for Mr. Flintstone using a different stick, while Mr. Flintstone's stick was here. So, because all the stick got mixed, as a result, the measurement was not accurate again. When Mr. Flintstone came back home and they tried the bed sheet on the bed, it was too small because probably it was measured with the stick which was much smaller than the Flintstone stick. So, what exactly the problem was? Who made a mistake? Was it shopkeeper? Not really. So this confuse can be happen with everybody. The problem was the method of measurement. So let us study measurement of length using standard unit. Student, can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is a ruler. It is usually used in a school and easily available anywhere. The ruler come in a different length. The first ruler, it can measure a length up to 15 centimeter. And second ruler can be measured the length up to 30 centimeter. Ruler is one of the standard unit to measure the length of an object. The marking indicates the centimeter. We can measure the length of any object in centimeter. Here the number 0 to 15 show 0 to 15 centimeters. Centimeter is one of the uniform standard units to measure the length. We use 15 centimeter or 13 centimeter ruler to measure small object. Now let's see how can we measure the length. We measure the length from the 0 marks by counting 0 to 15. We read the length as 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter and so on. To write centimeter, we use the short form cm. Now, let's measure the length of the pencil using ruler. Now, keep the pencil on table. Keep the ruler beside it. You have to take care that one end of the pencil size should be up to 0 of the ruler. Now, look at the other end of pencil. Can you tell me which number it's going on? Yes, 10 centimeter. So, the length of pencil is equal to 10 centimeter. Let's see one more example. Now student, in this example, we have to measure the length of the compass box using ruler. Now again you have to take care one end of the compass box point should be 0 of the ruler. Now look at the other end of the compass box. Can you tell me which number is going beside of it? Yes, 8 centimeter. So the length of the compass box is equal to 8 centimeter. Now student, look at the paintbrush. Can you tell me what is the length of the paintbrush? Yes, you are right. The length of the paintbrush is equal to 7 centimeter. So now we know how to measure the length of small object, but longer object cannot be measured with this small ruler. They are measured on a bigger unit called meter. In short, is written as m. Meter is one of the uniform standard units to measure the length. Measuring tape is used to measure length of longer object. It is also one of the standard unit to measure the length of an object. If you have gone with your mother in a tailor shop, you have seen this kind of measuring tape. This tape is used to measure the length of a cloth. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. If the length of this bed is equal to 200 centimeter, so we can say the length of the bed is equal to 2 meter. In same way, if the height of an almirah is 300 centimeter, so we can say the height of almirah is equal to 3 meter. In same way, if the length of this bed is equal to 100 centimeter, so we can say that the length of the bed is equal to 1 meter. So student, what we have learnt in this video? To avoid differences in the measurement of length, standard units of length are needed. Meter is a standard unit of length that is used to measure long lengths. Centimeter is a standard unit of length that is used to measure short lengths. I hope you understood my today's topic and enjoyed my class. So now it's your homework time. In the table, write whether you will measure the following length in centimeters or meters. Thank you.